Hello everyone. So this video is a guide on how to give the exam on MyPerfectist portal. So first of all, you have to go to rkmbdeoghar.myperfectist.com. Once you go to this link, you'll click on this login button. After that, use the user ID and password as given to you by the university. Once you put the credentials, just click on this login button. After that, you will land on this dashboard page. Now, you have to go to this test section. Once you click on this test section, you'll see your tests. Now, let's suppose I click on this test name, Mock Test Midterm Class 8. After that, it will ask me for the camera. As you can see on my screen, the camera is on. Now, in case if the camera is disabled from your side, how can you enable it? Let me just show you. So let's suppose my camera is disabled initially. Let me show you. As you can see, the camera is not active, and on the bottom side I can see this warning. Now in order to enable the camera, what I am going to do, I'll just click on this icon and I'll allow the camera. Once done, I'll click on this refresh button. Now as you can see on my screen on the left hand side, the camera is on. Now in order to take the test, I click on this take test button, which is over here. After that, there will be some instruction which you can skip, and then you have to click on I am ready to start. Once you click on I am ready to start button, this page will open up. Now here you can see it is question number 1 out of question number 7. The question is written over here. Total marks for this question, and there is 0 negative mark. Now on the bottom side you can see 3 options are there: take picture, upload picture and upload document. As you are aware of the process that you have to write the answer on the answer sheet, and you have to mention the page number and your name as well. After that, once you are done with your answers, you will connect your phone with your laptop and you will transfer that image on the computer and you'll upload it over here. Let me just show you the process. Once you're connected with the laptop, after that you'll just click on this upload picture button. Once I click on this button, I'll go to the specified folder wherever my pictures are kept. So let's suppose this is the picture. I click on this picture and I'll wait for it to upload. As you can see, it is uploaded now. Now if I want to click the multiple picture or upload the multiple picture, I can do the same by again going to upload picture option and clicking on the desired photograph. Once I'm done with uploading the photograph, I'll again go to the full screen. How to go to the full screen? I'll click on this next button. This warning will come. I'll click on this OK button, and now I'm on full screen again. Now I can see my pictures are uploaded. If I want to delete my picture, I can use this cross button to delete this picture. And after verifying that the pictures are uploaded properly, what I'll do, I'll click on this next button. But as you can see, after if my cursor is going at the bottom side near the taskbar, I'm getting this warning. So make sure that you don't go beyond the test window. Now as I click on this next button, my next question will come up. Since this question is fill in the blanks, I don't need to upload anything. I'll just write the answers, whatever answer I feel like, and then I click on this next button. Again the same question with photos to be uploaded. I'll again write my answer on a sheet. I'll take the photograph through a mobile phone and then I'll upload that photo through upload picture. Okay, so this is the process which I need to follow, and after that, once my photo is uploaded, I can click on this next button to come to the full screen, and after coming to the full screen, I'll verify if everything is good. Then I'll click on this next button to go to the next question. If I want, I can also come back to the previous question by clicking on this previous button. and I can see whatever I had uploaded. I can also use the upload document function. If I want my answer sheet to be converted to PDF or Word file and then I want to upload it, I can do the same by clicking on this button. Okay, once I am done with all my answers, what I'll do, I'll click on this finish button. But before this, I'll make sure that all my answers are uploaded, and once it is done, I'll click on this finish button and I'll click on this yes option. After that, as you can see, in front of my test name, attempted will be written. So in order to make sure that your test is properly submitted, just see whether attempted is written in front of the test name after your test is over. Okay, so once I'm done with this, I can log out simply as my test is saved. So just a few points that you have to take care of is that you have to mention the page number, your name on the answer sheet while uploading the answers. Second thing is you should remember what URL you have to go to and what are your login credentials and all. So these are things which you need to take care of. And same thing, if you are doing the test from mobile phone, then you have to download the appropriate app and you have to log in the same way using your credentials, and you have to click the photos through your phone and you have to upload the same over there only. So you have the option, either you can either attempt the test on phone or you can attempt the test on browser. Make sure that you use Chrome browser. Apart from that, don't use any other browser. So this was all about the process of taking the exam on My Perfectus platform. Thank you and have a nice day.